how it is easy or difficult. So here we have the title Clairaut's differential equations. We'll just find the introduction, definition, and solutions today. So first we'll start with what is Clairaut's equation. The first order differential equation of the form y is equal to x dy by dx plus f of y. So you can write down this in your book. This was named after Alexis Clairaut, a French mathematician, very important in various fields of applied mathematics and physics. So here we have the Clairaut's first order differential equation of the form. So this is, you can see y is equal to x dy by dx plus py. I think you have already seen dy by dx, just take it as p. Okay, keeping in the mind this, will write the general equation. So what is general form of this Clairaut? Yes, friends. Remember, Clairaut's equation is a linear first order differential equations with a non-linear term f of y. Just will substitute f of y. Here whatever we get, we just take it the function of y. So here you can see f of y is a given function of y, and the goal is to solve for y as a function of x. So here are the steps we'll just see. In this simple example, they will ask solve y is equal to x dy by dx plus y square. So can anybody tell me what will be f of p? Yes, here please try to find what is f of p.
Sorry.
Just here, Clairaut's differential equation is y is equal to x into dy by dx plus f of y. Correct? This is general equation, am I right? But
Yes, sir.
in the exam, this one simple example will be asked. Solve. I already have discussed in the class. Simplest question they will ask, solve. So when you see this solve, y is equal to x into dy by dx plus y square. If you fit this in general equation, what is y square? I did not understand. Okay, here we have. I will tell you. Remember the general equation. What is general equation? We have y is equal to x dy by dx plus f of y. This is our general equation. Okay, when you compare this Clairaut's equation, so it's called CE, that is Clairaut's equation. When you compare this equation with this equation, my question was, what is f of y? Anyone, please give me the answer. Yeah, very good. That's a simple question I asked. That is y square. This is how you have to identify Clairaut's equation. So first you have to identify f of y is equal to y square. Okay, very good. Now similarly, now we are going to simplify the example. So when you have selected the f of y, then you can see the original equation with respect to x to get a simpler equation for dy by dx. Very simple transformation will take place. Step by step we'll see in the example. This is how we are going to transform into simpler form. Okay, so what is the solution method? Yes, first we are going to take step 1, solve for derivative dy by dx. We are going to take, correct, and rearrange. Suppose the example is not in that form, correct, it will be in a different forms. You have to rearrange sometimes to get dy by dx. Solve using appropriate method, substitute or integrating the factor. So depending on the given example, we'll have to find out the integrating factor sometimes, or we'll take directly the constant and we'll substitute in this equation. You will understand the steps when we solve the example, friends. Okay. So why we study Clairaut's equation? Some of them may be asking differential equation, what is the role of the exact? So you can see here the special solution of Clairaut's equation. Here we have the equation has both general solution and singular solution. So in the simple solutions also we get the general solution. So if you see the general solution, it is formed by solving the transformed equation. So just now we have seen we're going to transform the equation and we'll find the general solution. One more is single solution. Often derivative we are going to take from the behavior of the equation at certain values of x. So sometimes when you don't find the general solution, we'll find the singular solution just by differentiation. That is the only thing. So let's discuss a few well-known singular solutions and their significance. Yes, friends, very important. We can see very simple. Suppose in the above example you have seen step-by-step solutions. So when you see the solution of y is equal to x divided by x plus y square, remember this, friends. Rewrite the equation and differentiate. Okay, this is what we have to do. Solve for dy by dx. Find the general and singular solutions. Include diagram or graph. That is different. We are not with going for diagrams or graph. We will just find the general solution. What are the steps? We'll see. So when we see the applications of Clairaut's equation, especially in differential equations, so calculus, we can see the real world application. Here we can see as well as the Clairaut equation appears in various applied mathematics problems, including mechanics and physics. If you see the applications modeling the motions of planets and satellites, what discussed and describing certain types of oscillations and waves. I think more of the oscillations and waves we can see in electrical, and also we can see in mechanical. The practical applications, how they have discussed the oscillations, friends. Yes, friends, we can use the Clairaut's equations. Using this, we can explain how the oscillations takes place. So in the summary, you can see that the Clairaut's equation is the first order differential equation with specific structure. So it's first order differential equation, that is ODE, I have to say. It has both general and singular solutions. Always, yes, friends, you come across so many things. You have to find the solution. That is the main, very, very important task here we have. You'll always find the solution. So here, when problem comes in the Clairaut's equations, yes, we are going to find the solution. The solutions can be formed through transformations and differentiations. Yes, friends. Any problems come across, we just transform it and we try to simplify and we differentiate it. So it has practical applications. Yes, we have seen the practical applications also we have seen. So this is how what the simple summary of the Clairaut's equation. So the very simple example they will ask here, friends, solve. Can anybody read the problem? Is it the problem variable? I'm going to simplify this problem example now. Yes, please. Can anyone read?
So question, we have to read question.
Yes, question.
Y is equals to px plus 2p square.
Yes, thank you so much. Here we can see, friends, very simple question we will ask. Solve y is equal to px plus 2p square. So we can see when there are more p in the equation, suppose 2, 3 p's comes, or p, we know already that here will write, we can just change this, we can just take 2. Please remember where p is nothing but we take always dy by dx, actually, correct? This is our p. P is what? First order differential equation. First order differential equation. That is dy by dx. We used to say that dy by dx is nothing but differentiation of y with respect to x, but nowadays we call it as ODE. ODE is nothing but ordinary differential equation of first order, first degree. That is, we are going to take it as p. So when there are more than 2 p's, so here when we have p, here we have p square, means you have to think that this equation, given equation, so we say this is
Second order.
given equation, not like that. Given equation is in terms of p, it is second order definitely, but in terms of p when you take, not, it is not second order beta. This is degree, higher degree. It is p square, means what, friends? Dy by dx the whole square. Okay, so don't get confused. Given equation is Clairaut's equation. Okay, so when it is Clairaut's equation, you have to remember the f of p. Can anybody tell me what is f of p now?
So 2p square.
Yeah, very good. This is what you must be very careful. So f of p is equal to 2p square we are going to take. So here in this first step you are going to take f of p is equal to 2p square. Here I have mentioned that this is general equation, so I'll just tell you the steps how we are going to simplify the example. So here I will write the, repeat this, y is equal to px plus f of y must be the Clairauts. Every time when you find that this is Clairauts equation, you have to compare with this general equation and you have to find what is f of y. So identify f of y and you're going to take this as, sorry, then f dash of p we are going to find, and we're going to substitute this p value we are going to find from this equation 2. Okay, we'll find p, substitute in this equation and simplify, so that will become a general equation. Let me try with the example. Okay, let us go with the example. So here we have the example. What we have done, we have taken the Clairauts equation, correct? F of p is equal to 2p square we have taken, right? Now we are going to take the solution here, but to find the solution, let me take the value of p here. So let me take what p must be in. Yes, friends, p I am going to take here as c. So that we'll just compare. For our sake, we are going to take p is equal to c. Okay, then put p is equal to c in equation 1. So let me take this as equation 1. From this equation, the equation will become now Clairauts equation. Therefore, y is equal to cx plus 2c square. Am I right? So this is general solution of the given equation. Now from this, we have to find the singular solution. So this will become general solution when I take p is equal to c, and it will become singular solution to find singular solution. We are going to take the equation x plus f dash of p is equal to 0. So to find general solution, you will get 2 marks here, students. Remember, just what we find, what we take, only p is equal to c. That directly becomes its general solution. But to find a singular solution, we have this step. That is x plus f dash of p is equal to 0. So you have to find equation 2 and 3. It will become general solution of the equation and singular solution. Okay, let us find it. X plus f dash of p is equal to 0. Okay, now from this, tell me what is f dash of p. Can anybody tell me what is f dash of p, friends? Yes, tried. Yes, here.
4p.
Yes, very good.
4p.
Correct, very good. 4p means you are differentiating 2p square with respect to p. So therefore, I will write x plus 4p is equal to 0. So in singular solution, p value will change, whereas general solution, p value is c. Keep in the mind. Okay, let us find this. That implies x, I will bring it on this side. So it will become 4p is equal to minus x, and here p will become minus x by 4. So we'll put this in equation, general equation in 1. So therefore the given equation the given equation is y is equal to px plus 2p square. Correct? Now I have to substitute this p value. Therefore, y is equal to, this will become minus x by 4 into x plus 2 minus x by 4 the whole square. Is it clear? Let me simplify this. So here we get y is equal to minus will remain minus, x into x will become x square upon 4 plus here we can see 2 we have here, and square of this will become x square upon, just take x square upon, it will become 16. Okay, so we'll take this as 16, and when you simplify this, friends, what we get, y is equal to minus x square upon 4 plus x square upon 8. Is it clear? So we can simplify this. Can you understand this now? We'll take LCM this, and we take LCM multiply here 2, and here it is 1, so it is minus
Hello.
2x square plus x square upon 8. So therefore this will become minus x square upon 8. Therefore I will take 8 on this side, so it will become 8y is equal to minus x square, or minus x I will take it on this side. Therefore I will get this as x square plus 8y is equal to 0. So this is singular solution of the given equation. Okay, students, so it is a little bit understand, you have to understand that there are two solutions. One is general solution and one is singular solution. So we'll just repeat this once again. We'll start with the beginning once again. Yes, friends, quickly you have to repeat this. Everyone look on the screen. Very simple question they will ask in the exam, students. That is, they will ask you only solve y is equal to px plus 2p square. So the given equation is a Clairaut's equation. Therefore, it must have two solutions. One is general solution and one is singular solution. General solution is very simple. We get general solution by putting p is equal to c. Keep in the mind. Okay, this is your equation 2. Just now I discussed. The second equation will be general solution. So therefore, just by putting p is equal to c, we got the general solution. But to find singular solutions, yes, we have to remember this is formula for singular solution. X plus f dash of p is equal to 0. So therefore, f dash of p is 4p is equal to 0. We have to find p from this. In general solution, here p was equal to c directly we got, but here you can see p is equal to minus x by 4, and we have to substitute in the equation 1. That is one change you have to remember. Can anyone tell me what is general solution? Yeah, orally you can tell me.
Y is equal to cx minus log c, sir.
Yes, you will get 2 marks for this. Very simple. Clairaut's equation is very simple to understand. 2 marks directly you got. Okay. Can you find now singular solution? What is the value of p you find and tell me. Will you find p? Try it. Yes. So looking at the example, when there are more than 1p, 2, 3p's come, sometimes 4p comes in the exam. In that case, you have to say that you have to think that the given equation is Clairaut's equation. Okay, this is one first step, very important you have to remember. Then to find general solution, we take p is equal to c. Therefore, y is equal to cx minus log c. Over, student, this is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Okay, so you have to write this is general solution. If you write this much, you will at least get 2 marks out of 5 of the given equation. P is equal to 0. Okay, we are going to take this x plus f dash of p. So you have to find first what is f dash of p. So we know that we'll take kt f of p. Can anybody tell me what is f of p, students? Yes, yeah.
Log p.
Yeah, very good. That's it. Log p. Then what is f dash of p then?
Sir, minus log p, I think.
Minus log p. Okay. It is minus log p. Okay, then no problem. Tell me what is f dash of p?
Minus 1 by p.
Over, finished. Very good, excellent. Correct answer. Really genius. You are understanding online class. You can say f dash of p is equal to minus 1 by p. Therefore, substitute in this equation. Over. Therefore, x minus 1 by p is equal to 0. Therefore, what is p, students? I want p. 1 by p, I will take it on this side. So x will become 1 by p. Therefore, what is p?
1 by x.
Very good. Put it in equation 1. Therefore y is equal to, here we have p will become 1 by x, correct? X is already there, plus, sorry, it is minus. So in the question it is minus is there. Let us take it as minus log 1 by x. So p is becoming 1 by x. So further, when you simplify, y is equal to 1 minus log 1 by x. Yes friends, this is easy. Yes friends, this is easy. So this is the singular solution. You will get 3 marks for this. This is your equation number 3. So equation 2 is general solution. Equation 3 is singular solution. Will you try? Will you try another example, friends? You try one more example. You can take this as homework, and in the next lab I will ask this example. Have you done or no? Okay, we'll try. Okay, at least you try. You take the challenge and try it, friends. Solve. Y, I will take here p x plus a upon p. So you can see very simple.